In this section, we will be looking across some functions for quick table calculations, you can say, that is related to filtering and sorting. Okay, apart from that, we will be in this section cover the fill and flash fill. So let's start with the first function, that is your filter. Okay. So there are two ways. This is what the day in front of you, the details you are seeing is downloaded from internet itself. Okay, this is a hypothetical data of sales of a product of a company that used to sell products into different areas across the globe. Okay. So that is the data. Okay, so we have got order ID, we have got some products, then we have got some categories, and then the amount of sale, and arranged on a different sale dates that is there, okay. And the countries that was sold to was given in the data. Okay, so we have got total data of around 213 order IDs. Okay. So there are two ways to go into filter. Okay, one way is to just select this and go to sort and filter and select filter, and then you get the filter image, and then on the drop down you get all the benefits there. Okay. The other way of doing the thing is that you click on any cell in the entire table that you are seeing and press Control T. Okay, Control T actually helps in converting this data into a table. Okay, and then it asks that my table has header. Yes, we have the headers as order ID, product, category, amount, date, and country. Okay, so we select OK. Now it is converted into a table. Okay. How can we make sure that it's converted into table? The moment it is there in table, okay, we are on table, there is will be another ribbon that will be activated. It is basically what we call as the table design. Okay, so we can do this, pivot tables from there, insert slicer, and so on. Okay, so let's stick to our topic, that is your filter. Okay, so in filter, always remember that there are basically three types of data that we have. We have got date, then we have got numerical, then we have either text or what we can call as a string. Okay, so we have got three here: date, numerical, text. Okay, date, when we talk, so this is the filter. Okay, so when we are going to for the sorting, okay, date sorts on the basis of either oldest to newest, or go for newest to oldest. Okay, so we have got date arranged as oldest to newest or newest to in the case of numerical, we have got arranged in from largest to smallest, or we have got smallest to largest. In case of text, it is A to Z, or we have Z to A. This is the three way that the entire sorting functions takes place. Okay, so if we see that sorting, okay, since we are there on the text function, okay, and this is a text function, we will see sorting as A to Z or Z to A. Okay, this is the way we can sort it. Now this is the date function. Okay. When we go for date, it's asked for the oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Okay. And when we are on the number function, so accounting is also a number function, and order ID is also a number function. Okay. So if we are on the accounting, okay, it says for smallest to largest or largest to smallest, depending upon the way we want to display the information or sort the data. Okay. So here in case of our data, okay, this is sorted on the order ID. Okay, so it's an ascending order. Okay. So even if we select this, okay, sort it to smallest to largest, it is already done. Okay. Now if I want that it need to be sorted on not on this, okay, but on this level. Okay, so from A to Z. Okay, so Australia coming on the top, and then the United States going on the bottom. Okay, or we can have the sorting from A to Z at on the fruits and the vegetable. Okay. So what happens is that when we are arranging the fruits, okay, then we have got Canada, France, and Germany and New Zealand. Okay, and United States all going to the down. Okay. That is happens when we are using the filter related to table. Okay. Or the other way, what we can do is to just put it in Control Z. Control Z is you are basically undoing what you have done. Okay, that's a regular function that you have been always doing. Okay, so we select here as the custom sort. Okay, now we are selecting the entire data. Okay, so it will start with the sorting. So I want the data to be sorted not on the product ID but on the basis of first country. Okay, now country is a text function, so it will be A to Z. Okay. And then add a label that after doing country. Okay, so country Australia coming on the first because we have got A to Z, and then we will go for the category. Okay, so category will be the second hierarchy. Okay, so after if you have the Australia right here. Okay, and then we have got Canada and so on. Okay. Then we have Germany and then New Zealand and so on. What will happen is that in country, when we have got country, it will search for fruits first because it is arranged for A to Z. Okay. So yeah, in Australia, it will show the fruits and then show the vegetable, and then I want the further filter to be on the amount. Okay, that will be on smallest to largest. Okay, or it can be from largest to smallest. So what is happening is that when I press OK, it will be the country on the Australia. Okay, will be the first level of sorting. After sorting the entire country or entire data set on the level of country, it will then move to the next category, next hierarchy that we have identified, and that is category. Okay. Once it identifies the category, puts the fruits above and then vegetable, keeping first as your Australia. Okay, then it will work on the amount and then it will go on further data. So let's click OK. So we have got Australia, and Australia we have got fruits. Okay, and in fruits we have got the highest number that is sold on 19th of March 2016. That is order number 44. We have got sales of 9,400 rupee. Okay. Now, if you want to further add this thing, keep yourself on the table. Okay, and just go for the custom sort and add the amount. Okay, so if I want to add above that, okay, I will select the last one. Okay, I can always remove this level, or if I have added and I want this to be on say product. Okay, and I want this to be above the the amount. Okay, this is the way I to move the hierarchy. Okay, and then select as okay. Okay. So what is happening? First is Australia, then we have got fruits, then we have got apple, and then we have got the amount. Okay, so that is the beauty of your custom sorting. Okay, custom sorting helps us in various ways when we deal with the large number of data and need to be arranged in a particular way. Now let's just copy this data to another worksheet. For copying, it is Control C, and for paste, it is Control V. Okay. And let's remove the duplicates. To remove the duplicates, you can go to data. Okay, you'll see the remove duplicate option here. So column C, you have just removed the duplicate. 206 duplicates removed, 7 unique has been identified. Okay. So we have got 7 countries, that is Australia, Canada, France, Germany, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and United States. Okay. So basically, what is why I have copied this is to say that I want the first 3 letter of the state or the country that is mentioned there. Okay. Now I want this to be done for all the thing. Okay. So what is the other way of doing is that we want you can use the function left. Okay. Text, and then we will select 3. We get Australia. Okay. And when we pull it down, we get the first 3. So in case of flash fill, what we can do is that we have just written the first one. Here we have to write the formula. We have just written the first 3 letter. Go to the second one, press Control E. Control E is the shortcut for the flash fill. If you are not willing to type Control E and you habituated of using your mouse, okay, then you can go to the fill section and see flash fill. Okay, so it will do the same work. Okay. It is usually the most the more you keep on using your keyboard, the more it will be easy for you. Okay. Now we see that we have got an issue here that we have got united for both the cases. Okay. So what we will do is to use the left side of the word. Okay. So let's clear this out. Okay. And so we have got LIA, the last 3 digit, okay, and Control E. So now what is happening is that it is not able to identify from this. So in Australia, the length of the text is 9, while for length of Canada is 6. So when it is starting from last 3, it is getting LIA, but it is not getting anything in case of Canada. Okay, because it will be starting from 9. So 9, then 8, and then 7. Okay, but it is 6 here. So it is giving us no error. So in that case, what we can do is to take the last 5 letters. RALIA. Okay, and then hit Control. Let's delete it. So what is done is collected from the right hand side. Okay. But it is usually not advisable. Again, the problem is that we have got United 6. Okay. And then we have got a space. And then we have got 8th space. Okay. And but here in Canada, we have got 6. But in any case, if we can take 8. Okay. So 8 is AUSTRALI. Okay, and press Control E, it will take United K and United S. So it will be easy for us to identify or shortcut the thing. Okay. So this is one of the function that is using the flash fill. Okay, flash fill is basically used when we need to create the shortcut of a different names of the product. Okay. Now another function really in the same arena where we have got you must be imagining why it is down, right, up, left. Okay. Now if we are to create a random number, we have got a function called rand between. Okay. Rand between basically create a random number between upper and the bottom. Okay. So it's we have got 3 as the random number. Okay, and we want to fill till this position. Okay, let's mark it up so that it will be easy. So one way is to drag this up. Okay, so we have just dragged, when we have dragged the formula and everything has been copied. So if the seats are very large, it will be difficult for us to hold the mouse and keep on doing this. So what we want to that for this level to this level, we want a function to be done. Okay. So we select that level, okay, and click on down. Okay, it will create a copy of that formula. Okay, and then we want till this place, and then we can select to the right. Okay, and say for example from here to here we have got right, left, up or down that we want. So we are looking forward for down, so we got the copy here. Okay, this is basically you is the filling process. This is called fill. Okay, so in fill there are two options. Either you can go for fill or you can go for flash fill. Okay, flash fill is basically it's create a memory in of what you have done along with the last cell, and when you use that memory to execute a function, okay, it automatically does. That is the benefit of flash fill. Okay, and this is the fill functions when we are trying to create a random number.